Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a backup before changing ownership. Once you have those, open an elevated command prompt. Navigate to the parent folder with CD and the path you noted. Make sure to close any apps using the folder. This prevents file locks and errors. Now you're ready to run the first commands to take ownership and prepare the folder for permission changes. Do not skip the backup. It protects you if something goes wrong. You'll now take ownership and grant full control. First type takeown/fc, /path / to /folder, /r/dy and press enter. This makes you the owner recursively. Once done, run icackles/c, /path / to /folder, /grant %username %f/t to assign full permissions to your account. These two steps remove administrative level barriers so Windows treats you as the folder owner. If you see access denied, run the commands again as administrator and make sure the path. You should now open the folder in File Explorer and confirm you can read and modify files. Once done, clear any leftover attributes with attrib shrc, /path / to /folder, /s/d, then refresh or restart if necessary. Make sure to restore any intended security settings after you finish. Troubleshooting tip: if the folder was encrypted with EFS or protected by BitLocker, taking ownership won't decrypt it. You will need the original encryption password or recovery key to unlock those files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.